And you can change the settings with the little thing here. It's really cool. I love it.
Boy became an electrician again real quick. Type shit, you feel me? These drawers is tough. They got like some little leather shit going on. Yo, you don't believe what I went through putting this shit together either. Like, weird. Okay, we got different colors. I had to take both these shits back off. Long story short, this shit took me a minute.
See these holes? The second one's not here. Cannot put this shelf in, which ruins the entire plan for this. Not on either rail.
She must have fallen asleep.
Is this finished?